What's up YouTube, it's Austin aka Red Cat RC Tech here. As you guys can see, I got my Jato 3.3 that I'm doing the conversion on from nitro to electric. I have completely gutted it, as you can see. The motor there, tank there, miscellaneous parts up there. So I kind of skipped a lot because I kind of got excited and started doing a bunch of things to convert it. So I'm going to pull this off and show you what I've done. And like I said, I've done quite a bit. Last video, the first video, there was a bunch of gunk everywhere, so I cleaned it up, took everything apart. Next thing I did was, when I got it, the original owner told me that it needed new slipper clutch pads, and luckily I had a kit from a T-Max or Revo, and I couldn't use the slipper clutch plate, but I was able to use the pads themselves. So everything is put back together perfectly fine. The pads work great, so that's fine. Took my Traxxas ET3S, which is the Mamba Monster or Mamba Max Pro ESC, and I popped that in there. I glued that down with the glue I usually use. Same with my 2.4 receiver. Did that. I cut this piece off, and yeah, it kind of looks really crappy, but I cut that off just so I can have the antenna tube lined up in the original body location. I have to clean up these wires over here on this side. And when it comes to the servo mounted on the plate that went across and actually went over here with the handle. So what I did was I took the servo mounts, I flipped them around, and I took a little bit of a liquid electrical tape and I put it around the holes where the screws go in, and I took the servo, put it in the direct spot where I needed to be, pushed down, lift it up, and it actually left the exact imprints where I needed to drill into the chassis. I drilled into the chassis. You can tell, right? I used two different screws. My bad. I'll switch them out. But there's that one, and there's that one right there. And I accidentally drilled that hole, but that's fine. So yeah, I got that hole. I got that hole drilled, and then I ran the screws up, and it's perfectly mounted. It's not going nowhere. That's really all I got. Yeah, that's really all I got. I'm ordering a motor plate that screws onto the front right here, front of the transmission. Let's see if I can get this to zoom in. Right there. It bolts on there, and it has the plate that goes out to the side, and I can put my motor on there. That plate accepts 1/10 and 1/8 motors, and I'm converting the transmission to a single speed conversion, which I'll have all this by next week sometime, probably like Wednesday or Thursday. So yeah, that's all I really have for the Jato as of now. Everything's going very good, and I'm very happy on how everything's going. So thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe. Have a good day.